going on our morning walk after some brief period at the park, and can't help but think about how many factors and variables and skill sets are involved for parenting. And if you're a parent yourself, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's an infinite number of things to do, to not do, to make life easier and better for my kids. And so I can't do it all. I have to pick and choose which skills, which areas to focus on. So, for example, some top skills and areas that are important: sleep, food, and activity, just like adults, right? Food, diet, and exercise. If we get those three things done well as a parent, then we're setting ourselves up for success, or at least not an abysmal failure. Because even if you do the advanced stuff and you do those three fundamentals wrong, you really can't enjoy or benefit from the advanced stuff. So bottom line, find the areas and the topics that are disproportionately important and leverage those and just get good at them and find out the nuances within them. In Excel, I've already distilled down and filtered out the majority of topics, of which there is no shortage, into three main areas and skills that are the most important for my years, over a dozen years of experience. I think we're past 13 years now. The areas are navigation, getting around; formatting, making things look the way you want them to look; and formulas, and calculating and using the real essence of spreadsheets. So if you're curious, if you want to leverage me as an expert, reach out. I'd love to see how we can make some magic together.